The bottle top dispenser is a useful tool for your laboratory in dispensing reagents and chemicals accurately and easily. There are various models available with different volume ranges. Each includes 5 adapters to fit different size bottles. All wetted products are made from PTFE and borosilicate glass for maximum chemical resistance. It includes a chemical compatibility chart, so you have a better idea of what chemical you are allowed to put in and which ones are not recommended. Each model includes a calibration report, as well as a 7-step checklist. You can purchase the pump only, or you can buy a set which includes a glass media bottle as well. The parts are easy to disassemble and to autoclave. If needed, there's also a calibration tool included. You just pop the cap off the end and you can insert this to recalibrate your pump if it is ever off. Assembly is very easy and straightforward. I find the appropriate adapter that fits my media bottle. I adjusted the height of the straw so it reached just the bottom of the bottle. Then you just put them all together. Your bottle dispenser is all set up. Let's go and look at the different controls. The range of the bottle dispenser is indicated along the side, as well as a simple knob that indicates lock or unlock. You would turn this so that you can adjust the height or the volume that you want to dispense, lock it in place. Then as you lift up, it will draw up the solution to that specific volume, and then when you press down, it dispenses it. One important note, when you are using this for the first couple times, the system is empty. So you want to prime the pump by drawing up liquid and dispensing it several times until there is liquid throughout the whole system. So if you just put this together, your first few pumps will not be that accurate. I primed the pump and I had this set at 15 milliliters. So I'm going to pull this up firmly but gently. When you feel resistance, you want to stop. That's 15 milliliters that I've pulled into the dispenser. If I simply press down, I should be dispensing out exactly 15 milliliters of my solution. Here are some specifications of the different models.